In the same boat means in a similar situation or in the same position. Often used in difficult or unpleasant situations, but not always. This expression comes from passengers in a small boat at sea having the same risks, having the same unpleasant experiences, having the same difficult situations, is where this idiom comes from. In the same boat は日本語で言うと、運命共同体である。それが同じ状況にあるという意味です。Looking at some examples for in the same boat. Number 1, we're all in the same boat, so stop complaining. We're all in the same difficult situation. We're all very uncomfortable, so don't complain. We're all feeling the same thing. Number 2, A, that work is 2 days behind schedule. B, I'm in the same boat. My work is also 2 days behind schedule. I'm in the same situation. Number 3, it is our first year in college and we are all in the same boat. All of us are in the first year of college, so it's very difficult. Lots of new things happening, lots of studying. We are all in the same position. 1番目は日本語で言うと、私たちも同じ状況なんだから文句を言うのをやめて。2番目は日本語で言うと、その仕事は予定より2日遅れてるんだ。私も同じだよ。3番目は日本語で言うと、今年は私たちの大学での最初の年だ。で、私たちは運命共同体と言える。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please make a sentence for in the same boat in the comments and I'll check that for you. If you like my channel, please subscribe and see you next time.